This is 2025, and if you're not taking care of yourself, if you're not caring for your skin, if you're not pampering your skin, I don't know what you're doing. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want us to talk about face creams and face moisturizers you can use to get a hydrated, beautiful and even toned skin. This is 2025. If you're not caring for yourself, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing at all. By the way, allow me to show you some face creams and face moisturizers that will be worth every penny you spend on it. This is not the issue of, oh, let me just try. No, these are tested and trusted products that I highly recommend for people. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right in. I've had an encounter whereby a customer was confusing between face cream and face moisturizers. Now you would want to ask me, is face cream the same thing as face moisturizer? The answer is no, they are not the same thing. They may do the same work, but they are not the same. And the difference lies in the formulation. Face creams are usually richer in texture and they contain specific ingredients which are targeted at specific skin concerns. Face creams may contain peptide, vitamin C, but moisturizers are basically formulated to hydrate the skin. If you're looking for hydration, you want to just hydrate your skin and make it glow, then go for moisturizers. But if you're treating specific skin concern, like you want to brighten up, you want to fade dark spots, it is best you go for face creams. I'm going to be pointing out face creams and moisturizers you can use for your skin if you want to achieve an even tone, a brighter and radiant skin. The number one face cream I'm going to be mentioning here is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream. This face cream is fragrance free. It is also alcohol free, so this makes it suitable for sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, this means that you can use this product. Number one ingredient it contains is that it contains niacinamide. And if you saw my last video where I mentioned that niacinamide are anti-acne because they help to reduce the production of sebum, and they are also brightening ingredients. So you see, these ingredients will help you to reduce acne, inflammation, and equally help you to brighten your skin. The second ingredient is that it contains peptides. What are peptides? Peptides are cell communicating ingredients. These are ingredients that will help communicate to the cell in your body to produce certain things like collagen, hydration, and even cell turnover. So this means that the presence of peptide in this face cream is going to improve cell turnover. If you're having a dull skin or you have acne on your skin, this can help you hasten up the healing process. It contains soothing ingredients. The soothing ingredient it contains is panthenol. Panthenol is a soothing ingredient which will help you if you are always having inflammation, if you're always having burning sensation on your skin. So when you're using this face cream, there is nothing like burning sensation, there is nothing like irritation. So this is a very good face cream for people with sensitive skin. It also contains hyaluronic acid. What is hyaluronic acid used for? It is a hydrating ingredient. So this means that this hyaluronic acid will help your skin to stay hydrated. Another good thing about this face cream is that it absorbs quickly into the skin. This means that this product will not clog your pores. Once you're applying it, it is absorbing quickly into your skin. The ingredients in this face cream is going to brighten up and help you achieve an even toned skin. This is a very good choice of product because it will help you calm your skin. If you're always having irritation each time you use any product, there is nothing to fear when using this product because it contains all the ingredients that will help keep your skin moisturized, help soothe your skin, and help keep your skin hydrated. This makes it an all-in-one face cream. It contains all the ingredients you need for even tone, for brighter skin, and for hydrated skin. This is one face cream you will use and within 1 week you're seeing a lot of improvement. This face cream is very suitable for people with normal skin, oily skin, combination skin, and especially dry skin because of all these ingredients. If you're dry, sensitive skin, carry it with your 2 hands because it is very, very good. The second face cream I'm going to be pointing you to is the Cosrx all-in-one cream. This contains 92% of snail secretion, which makes it a very hydrating face cream. This face cream is going to help you calm irritated skin. If you have in any way used any product that at a point tampered with your skin barrier, this will help you fix that. This face cream will help keep your skin very hydrated, alright? And when your skin is very hydrated, there is this radiance it gives. So if you want that radiance, you want your skin to be very shiny, this is a very good face cream. Another thing is it blends easily into the skin. It is very lightweight. For people who have used it, it is very lightweight. The moment you're applying it, it is absorbing into your skin and it will make your skin exude that radiance. It contains antioxidants, which is the snail secretion filtrate. It contains cell communicating ingredients, which is a form of adenosine. It also contains two soothing ingredients, which is allantoin and pentanol. So it is very suitable for irritated skin. It is very suitable for skin radiance. If you want your face to be very glowy and plump, this is a very good face cream. I loved it when I used it, and so far a lot of people have nice things to say about this product. So if you want a good face cream you can use to keep your skin hydrated and very beautiful, the snail all-in-one face cream is a very good choice of products. The next product we are going to be talking about is the Cerave AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. I mean the one with SPF 50 because there are two types, the one with SPF 30 and the one with SPF 50. I'm talking about the one with SPF 50, but please, that does not mean you should not use your sunscreen. Use your sunscreen. This is specifically for normal to dry skin, which means it is very hydrating. This tells you that this is a hydrating face cream. Let's talk about the key ingredients in these products. Number one is the ceramide. This contains ceramides, which means it is going to help you protect your skin barrier. It contains hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid there is to help your skin retain moisture, and niacinamide, which is a brightening ingredient. So this means that this is going to help to hydrate your skin and brighten it at the same time. It is lightweight and it is non-comedogenic. Comedogenic means that it is not going to clog your pores, alright? It is not those products that when you apply it, they are very thick. When you apply it, it will clog your pores. No, this is very lightweight. It absorbs into your skin and will help keep your skin hydrated. If you need a face cream that you can use to moisturize your skin and brighten your skin, this Cerave AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion is very suitable. There is this Cerave PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion you would want to use together with this if you want to use it and see results. It doesn't mean that using it alone will not give you the results, but using them together will make you see better results. It is specifically made for normal to dry skin. If you're normal to dry skin and you want a very good product that will help you brighten your skin and hydrate your skin, this Cerave AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion is a very good choice. Of course, I know that these products that I mentioned are quite not on the affordable side, but one thing is, affordable is relative. What is affordable for A may not be affordable for B. So I'm going to be mentioning some moisturizers you can use, especially if you want a hydrated and beautiful skin this 2025. The first thing on my list is the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. This is everywhere. This is literally everyone's favorite. I've not gotten any single negative review on that product. This is very lightweight and suitable for oily skin. So if you're battling acne and you want a product that will not clog your pores, you want a product that will help you moisturize your skin, the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer is a very good option. There is this second one, which is a Simple Replenishing Rich Moisturizer. This is specifically for people with dry skin. If you're dry skin and you want a product that will hydrate your skin, this Simple Replenishing Rich Moisturizer is a very good choice. It will moisturize your skin and keep it hydrated for a long period. The last product I'm going to be talking about is no other product than the facefacts Ceramide Moisturizing Gel Cream. This is a barrier complex moisturizer. This is very good if you have broken barrier. If you have broken barrier and you want to work on your skin barrier, you're tired of using random products that will keep breaking you or irritating your skin, then this is for you. But I need to mention, this is for people with dry and combination skin. If you're not dry or combination skin, please don't use this product. Use the simple lightweight moisturizer so that it will not clog your pores. If you have oily skin, there is tendency that any product that is thick will clog your pores, right? So to be on a safer side, you want to use something that is very good and very suitable for your skin. The facefacts ceramide moisturizing gel cream contains 5 ceramides, it contains oath, and it contains hyaluronic acid. So with all these ingredients should tell you that it will protect your skin barrier, it will hydrate your skin and blend your skin tone. It doesn't do much, it is just there to hydrate your skin. And if you have irritated skin, this is also a very good product you can use to moisturize your skin and keep it hydrated. Being that most of these products I mentioned contains active ingredients, it does not stop you from adding your serums. So if you're treating a particular skin concern and you feel like, oh, I need a serum, please add serum. Serums are targeted as skin concerns. If you want to get good results, I highly recommend serums. Also, it does not stop you from adding your sunscreen. Please use your sunscreen, especially this one that I mentioned that contains SPF 50. Please use your sunscreen so you don't end up getting another skin concern whereas you're trying to treat the first one you got. So with all these products I have listed, you can pick any one tailored to your skin type. If you paid attention, you observe that I also mentioned the skin type it is specifically tailored to. So if you're buying, you want to consider your skin type before you make your choice. You have to consider your skin type and your skin needs. Is your skin lacking hydration? Are you having uneven skin tone? You want to consider all those things before you make your choice. Like I mentioned on my previous video, you can get all your skincare products from Neckup Skincare on Instagram. If you do not have a legit plug, at this point we'll draw the curtain for today. We are already 20 and I'm truly grateful for the gift of you all. Just few days back we were 17 in number and now we are 20. Thank you so much for hitting the subscribe button. Thank you so much for liking. Please do not forget to engage. Leave your thoughts, leave your comments on this comment section. This will encourage me to create more video. I hope as you're watching, you're getting value. In case this is your first time of coming here, my name is Ebere and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. See you on my next one.